Salt. Concerned with the number of accidental deaths caused by handguns purchased for home defense, the founders of Salt Company came up with a non-lethal alternative. Although salt looks like a typical bullet-firing firearm, technically it is not. Powered by a single CO2 cartridge, it's not classified as a gun, and therefore can be bought without legal restrictions. The pneumatic pistol is designed to stop intruders using an incapacitating powder. It's basically a paint gun that fires balls filled with a non-lethal powdered pepper extract and tear gas. Salt rounds explode upon impact, immediately causing temporary blindness, difficulty breathing, and impact distress. It can be used at a considerable distance that would not be possible with a taser or ordinary pepper spray. Salt was also designed to be user-friendly, without noise and recoil of a conventional firearm. Plug. Charge anything and anywhere with a 250-watt portable battery pack Deviltechs plug. It comes with 2 AC wall outlets and 2 fast-charge USB ports, plus a digital LED display to show remaining charge. Deviltechs company claims that with its 48,000 mAh capacity, the battery can recharge a laptop up to 3 times, a tablet up to 7 times, or power a TV for up to 4 hours. Plug was created to pack the most amount of power in the smallest form possible. With their unbeatable performance and longevity, Tesla battery cells were the obvious choice. In addition to using a wall outlet, you can refuel the battery with an optional weather-resistant solar panel. Measuring only 1.6 by 5.6 by 8.6 inches or 4 by 14 by 22 centimeters, Plug is small enough to slip into many camera bags. It's definitely a must-have for camping trips, beach picnics, outdoor photo shoots, and much more. Dusty Brush. Dusty Brush makes it possible for you to clean areas that were unthinkable before. From delicate objects to hard-to-reach corners, cracks, and grooves. The secret behind this device is that instead of a large single opening, it has many small suction areas through many tubes. Dusty Brush is designed as a brush, except a brush cannot vacuum up dust. Each of the tubes moves freely, so that they can fit into the smallest of areas of uneven surfaces. With this attachment, you'll be able to clean boxes with small objects like buttons and needles, nuts and screws and whatnot. None of the small parts will be lost. The tubes are made up from a highly rigid yet delicate polymer. They do not get worn down and are stable enough to rub away encrusted dust and dirt. Dusty Brush is universal, with the integrated adapter making it possible to fit onto all vacuum cleaner tubes. Scully AR1. Let's start by saying that Scully is a lightweight aerodynamic motorcycle helmet. It looks cool from the outside, but it is actually more impressive if you put it on and see that its visor is not merely a visor, but a transparent screen with an augmented reality ability. Its main feature is a 180-degree rear-facing camera with a little screen placed in the bottom right portion of your field of view. AR1 comes with an integrated GPS navigational system powered by a high-speed microprocessor. Use a Bluetooth connection to your phone for hands-free calling and access to the internet. The helmet was designed to give you only the optimal amount of information, thus reducing the mental load placed on the rider. And more importantly, while reading directions or even checking out the view from rear-view cameras, you can still keep your eyes on the road. Vixol Matrix. Even footwear is beginning to get smarter. Vixol Matrix sneakers feature a flexible monochrome LED display, covered by half-transparent TPE for protection. Using built-in Bluetooth technology, the e-sneakers wirelessly connect with your smartphone. Just take a photo with your phone or select one from a gallery of designs through the Vixol app and transfer the design directly to the back of your shoe. Built-in motion and sound sensors also allow Vixol sneakers to interact with the environment, such as listen to the rhythm of your steps and change the pattern on the display. Customizable e-sneakers are made from calf leather for durability, and elastic banding delivers a comfortable wearing experience. Its minimalistic unisex design will fit both male and female wearers. The pair of smart shoes comes with a wireless charger and a battery that offers 8 hours of battery life. Better Spot. For those who believe freedom to access information online is a basic right, BetterNet developed a product called Better Spot. The device is a VPN router designed to conceal a user's location and usage from anyone conducting network surveillance or traffic analysis. Better Spot secures your connection by encrypting your data. It changes your IP address, hides your real location, and gives you privacy and anonymity online. It helps users access blocked websites and bypass internet restrictions, such as censored or geo-restricted content. Better Spot is a square blue box with a micro USB port and 2 Ethernet ports in the back. The micro USB plugs into the supplied charger for power. The other 2 ports are for plugging Better Spot into your laptop or into your existing router, thus protecting all the devices at home.